What is back? And today, what is up, guys? And today, we're going to be making slime with Jot Glue. And we're going to use the contact solution and baking soda method. We're going to use food color. Well, you don't got to use food color, you can use paint. It's yellow. So first, and we're going to be putting some of these. Recording.
You what?
I'm recording a video.
Oh, let me get back.
Then when you add the paint, you just gonna stir. I'm gonna add a lot of this. This is the color. Let's make some more. Get this other piece of. Oopsie. I'll be right back when I clean up this mess. Alright, so I'm back from cleaning up the window. Okay, so once you got it all stirred in, you just want to add first. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda first. And I'm going to add some more later. Put that in there. Cool. I'm just going to stir it up. So let me tell you something. If y'all don't want y'all foam beads to fall out, then you don't want it all hard and non-sticky, because the foam beads gonna take care of that sticky. Add a little baking soda. I meant contact solution. And then I'm just gonna stir it up. Okay. Like that. And it's starting to come together. Take it off the stick. Play with it just like that. And knead it. Now, it's not even that sticky. Actually, it's not even sticky though. It's time for the Jot Glue. Is what is really good, y'all. If y'all do it just like this, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add some contact solution, you got good slime. Very, very good. Very, very good slime. When you do that, yep, that's good. That's real good. And I didn't even add no lotion to it. It comes out good. Yeah. I feel like it needs some lotion anyway. It's fine. So I'll be right back with the lotion. So now guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna add some lotion to it. And guys, it's really smooth too. It's like really smooth. I would recommend this good. Really. I really recommend this good. In my opinion, it's actually a little bit, well, not that good as Elmer's, but it's okay. It's fine. It's okay to make some of this. Comes out good. So now it's time to add the phone beads. Enough of not talking. That's alright.